Hey everybody, it's Karen.
And Stephanie.
She's back with me. I so love having her with me. And today she's going to run the show. I'm going to do what she tells me to do. But she's going to make a
sweet potato corn muffins. I have never in my life heard of them, but that sounds divine.
How good does it? Oh my gosh, I'm excited for this.
These are so good.
All right, I'm going to step on the other side of you.
All right, so what we did was we took a 450 oven, 2 sweet potatoes. You want to poke holes in them. Let them cook for about 45 minutes to an hour. Just test them. Open them up like we did and let them cool off.
You know, if you got large ones, but we didn't have large ones, so we had to use small.
You take what you can get.
That's right.
And so what we're going to do is we're going to scoop out the centers into a bowl.
I love sweet potatoes.
And make sure you get all the peeling and bits off.
And let's let her get this in the bowl, and then we'll come right back, okay?
All right, so we have got these in the bowl. That's probably about 2 cups of sweet potatoes. If you don't want to bake your sweet potatoes, you can use the canned sweet potatoes. It doesn't matter.
Yeah, maybe can you find like a 20 ounce?
Yes.
Something along that line, anyway.
So we're going to take 1 box of the Jiffy corn muffin mix.
Yeah, that's a good, quick.
And these things are 99 cents.
Yeah.
And we've got the oven heated to 400.
But you can't go wrong with using a Jiffy mix, and you know they're inexpensive, and it's a quick, and you can make so many things with these mixes. Jiffy has a great product.
I love Jiffy. All right, and we're gonna just smash this down a little bit to mix it just a little bit.
Okay.
All right, so now we've got this kind of incorporated a little bit. We're gonna add just 1 tablespoon of the self-rise flour. All right, 1 egg. And 1 can of the sweet condensed milk. If you don't want it super sweet, you can add half of this and supplement the rest with just regular milk.
So sweetened condensed milk. I would have never thought to put sweetened condensed milk.
Well, and I ran across this video totally by accident because I've never in my life heard of sweet potato corn muffins. And then I got angry because I called my grandmother. I was like, why did I not know about this? She's like, I've never heard of it. It sounds like the most fantastic thing I've ever eaten in my whole life.
There's nothing in this recipe so far that I don't love.
All right, so now we're going to incorporate all this and get it good and mixed up.
So you got some elbow grease there. I thought there's no way you're going to get all that to mix up because that condensed milk is thick, but by golly, look at that.
Oh, yeah.
It's proven me wrong.
And you can use a standing mixer if you want to, because it can be it's a little firm to get mixed up.
A stand mixer would just kind of help you along a little bit, help your muscles. But if you need to work out,
I'm getting one. All right, that is perfect.
Looky there. And you see specks of that sweet potato. It didn't totally disintegrate. Goodness gracious.
All right, so what we're going to do now is we're going to put that. You can do this in a cornbread pan if you want to. We're going to do it in muffins. We're going to make muffins out of it. So we'll be right back with that.
Okay.
All right, we are going to use, I call these the medium size. It's the 12 muffin. I call it medium.
Yeah.
We're going to spray these really good.
And we're just going to use the baking spray instead of the regular spray. We want to make sure these come out.
All right, so now when we scoop these out in here, you don't want it all the way full. You want it just about halfway or just below half.
Half or 3/4 maybe.
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe 3/4.
Because these are kind of dense. They're not really going to lift too much, so you don't have to worry about it overflowing. Well, here I am not taking my own.
But you can do just like you did. If you get too much, you can dip it out and put it in another one.
But these are dense, and they're really not going to rise too terribly much, so that's not an issue with this.
It's not overly sweet. Now, I can't wait to...
So I made these at home just to do a test batch, see if we even wanted to mess with this. And I just fell in love.
This would be a good... Of course, we're showing you the fall recipe here because we're excited for fall. And this would be something that would be good you can put out for Thanksgiving. Wouldn't that be great?
Mm-hmm.
Looky there. 12 muffins.
There we go.
There we go. Looky there.
We're going to pop these in the oven and look at them at about 18 minutes. Because you don't want them too done. But what happens when I did these at the house, the sugar from the sweet condensed milk caramelizes on the outside, and it's almost like a crispy, it's crispy but gooey in the middle.
Mm-hmm. So you kind of want it that way.
Yep. So pop them in 400. We're going to check them in about 18 minutes.
All right. Our timer went off. I think the muffins are ready. Oh, if y'all could just smell them in here. Oh, Stephanie.
Oh, yeah, those are perfect.
What a beautiful... Oh, my goodness, y'all. Look at that.
Then they rose just a little bit, and that's why we put that self-rising flour in there, because when I made them at home without the self-rising flour, they were kind of flat and dense. That just fluffs them up a little bit.
But as you said, though, see how that sugar
it's
crystallized?
Caramelized.
Yeah. Caramelized around the edges, and that's going to give it a good crunch when you bite into that one. All right, so we're going to let them cool a minute in here, then take them out and put them on a rack.
And then we'll be back.
Okay. Y'all have got to see these muffins, the inside. It smells amazing in here, and I've got a good picture, so I'll give you a good close-up of that.
And you can see where that sweet condensed milk kind of caramelized a crust on it.
Yeah, and they're soft and fluffy. They're not hard and dense. I say we try one.
Let's try one.
Now, I have, and if any of you are familiar with Gatlinburg, Sevierville, Pigeon Forge, there's the Apple Barn. We never go up there that we don't go to the Apple Barn. And I bought a jar of this Apple Valley Toffee Pecan Honey Butter. And I'm anxious to try that. But Stephanie's also made us a
butter toffee sauce.
Yes. And y'all, it is delicious. So I want to try a bite with both. I can't wait to try it. You gonna try that first? I'm gonna smear it with, look, I'm gonna use the big old smear.
I'm gonna use the big old smear.
Looky there. Now this is the best stuff. So if you go, check out the Apple Barn if you're up there. And I know many of you have. And y'all have been up there, but y'all have got to try you some of this.
They have delicious stuff.
Yes. You ready? I'm going to try this first. Let's cut it.
You have half, me have half?
Yeah.
Oh, delicious. That's a good muffin right there.
I can't say anything. That is amazing.
Mm-hmm.
Don't touch it.
I'm not going to touch it.
I'll finish that. All right, let's try the one with the toffee.
All right.
We tasted the toffee by itself, and oh my heavens.
And you can see the sweet potato little pieces in there.
You can, the little specks.
Oh, so good.
My word. Yeah.
That is dangerous good.
Yeah, watch for the video because she's going to show us how she makes this toffee sauce. This is awesome. I'll come back to those. We made a dozen. Excuse me, I have to lick my fingers.
Those are so good.
And they're soft. I mean, they're not, see, it's so easy. But they're not dense. I expected them to be really firm and dense, but they're very moist. And I contribute that sweet potato to a lot of the moisture in it. So, I hope y'all try this. This will be on our Thanksgiving table, I do think, and probably before then too. I hope y'all make this because we're going to have the recipe in the description box below this video, so y'all check it out. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Hit that notification bell so you'll know when we put out another video. Y'all come back and see us soon because we certainly enjoy having each and every one of you in the kitchen with us. See you soon, everybody. Bye.